Sometimes you want to have a different operating system to make some experiments, try some new stuff, but in the meantime don't mess with your own configuration or files. Let's see how quickly we can set up a sandbox environment. Today we will be using a tool called Vagrant. Vagrant is a tool from HashiCorp and it's free to use. So I'm already at vagrantapp.com website, and here you have a download button. You can choose a macOS, Windows, Linux. You can install it through a packet manager or through a binary. I'm on the macOS system and I already have it installed through Brew. One prerequisite that you will need to have in order to make it work will be some kind of a hypervisor. One of the most popular one is a VirtualBox from Oracle. And you can just go to virtualbox.org and install it for your operating system. And it's also free to use. Once you have Vagrant installed, the another thing would be to choose what kind of operating system you want to launch. So here from the menu, there is something called boxes. Boxes are operating system images that you can load into Vagrant, and there is a public Vagrant box catalog. You can scroll through here through many different systems, see how much downloads there are, when they were released, what is the versions. You can choose some tagging and so on. But for the purpose of today's video, let's try to install Ubuntu 16. So here is the Ubuntu Xenial 64. Here is how to create a Vagrant file, but here you can have a new tab. And only thing we need to do is use this particular example. Let's hop into the console. Let's create ourselves a separate directory where we will store everything. So Ubuntu 16. Let's go to this catalog and let's launch this first command. It will initialize the Vagrant file in your directory. We can see it here. This is a very basic configuration file. And right now, the only thing we need to do is to call Vagrant space up. The first thing it will do will actually check if we have this image already available. Here we have could not be found, attempting to find and install. Right now it will install this image. Let's wait just a couple seconds for that. Okay, image is now downloaded. The Vagrant will prepare and launch our operating system. The system is now launched, and the only thing we need to do is to do Vagrant and SSH. And we are logged in to our Ubuntu 16. We are welcomed by a screen. And now we can do our experiments and do in this system whatever we would like. And once we are done, we can exit this system, we can get back to it if we need to. But if we are already done with everything, we need to do Vagrant destroy. and we need to confirm that we really want to do that. And our operating system will be done. And if you would like to create a new one, then the one thing we need to do is to call one more time Vagrant app. And that will create a new version of our operating system to work with. So that's basically it. See you next time.